Hello, beautiful people. Namaste. Yesterday, I did a reading on how is the divine feminine feeling and to understand what is going on in her mind and intuitively how is she feeling. And today, I was drawn to do this energy reading on how is the divine masculine feeling. And so, this reading is particularly based on the divine masculine's intuition and feelings and the actions he's going to take in the near future. So I have already shuffled the cards to save your time and have drawn 6 cards to understand what is going on divine masculine's end. So the first card I could draw was the Temperance card. The Temperance card talks about trying to seek balance and harmony in life. As you can see, this person is trying to balance the 2 cups that he's holding. So this person is somehow able to seek a balance in his external environment, or is working very hard to seek that balance and harmony in his life and trying to balance all the aspects of his life. So it's a very positive card. The second card I could draw was the Sun. The Sun is another warm kind of an energy that talks about having a very comfortable, happy, joyful surroundings. So these both cards represent favorable external situations for the divine masculine. The third card I could draw was the Five of Swords. Now, Five of Swords talks about some kind of break of trust or breach of trust, or something you thought was a collaboration but is basically a competition kind of a situation, or somebody ditched you in some aspect, or you moved on from something very bitter, or you're currently facing something like that. Your relationship with someone could be a little deceptive. So there's some kind of deception and break of trust or breach of trust kind of an energy here. The next card I could draw was the Moon card. The Moon card talks about connecting more to your intuition, to your subconscious, listening more to your intuition, and also the changes in the lunar cycle as we are approaching the full moon in the next few days. So this might be a very important card in that aspect. You might be receiving messages to listen more to your intuition, and you might be receiving powerful messages from the universe during this lunar cycle. So pay attention to it. The next is the King of Pentacles card, which talks about being confident in your own energy, accomplishing, having goals, and this is the time to manifest those things, or receiving monetary gains and materialistic gains in the world. So King of Pentacles is a very driven, ambitious, confident kind of energy. Moving to the last card that I could draw, that was the Page of Wands. Now, Page of Wands is on the similar energy level. It talks about new ideas, new beginning, creativity, giving kind of a shape or form to these ideas that are crossing your mind. So if you look at the entire reading talks about a lot of balance, a lot of listening to your intuition, joyful external environment, or a balance in the external environment. And there are 2 cards that talk about the confidence, vitality, new ideas, new beginning, a lot of money involved with King of Pentacles. Talks about manifesting and enjoying materialistic success in the world. And we could draw 1 card that talks about some kind of deception or some kind of pain, breach of trust, or break of trust. It is there. And rest 5 cards talk about moving towards this balance and happy energy and being in your own element kind of a thing. So probably this might be an indication that whatever happened this cycle has ended, and now with the new lunar cycle you're moving into more balance, more harmony, more joy, more stability and balance in your external environment. And what was there, whatever deception was there, is in the past, or it is time to move on from this competitive and breach of trust kind of an energy to all these positive things and abundance and manifestations that is approaching you so soon. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Thank you.